Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be teaching you guys how to check your Facebook primary location. Have you ever wondered where Facebook thinks you're located? Well, you're in the right place. So without any further ado, let's delve in. The first step is to go and open your Facebook and log in into your Facebook if you have not already. After that, tap on the menu present on the bottom right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Scroll down and then tap on Access Your Information. Here on the search bar, search for primary location. Once you tap on it, you will see your primary location. And that's it. You have it. Checking and updating your primary location settings on Facebook is a simple process. By keeping this information accurate, you can ensure better experience on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thank you for watching.